Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel. Let's see what the mailman brought the last couple of days. So we got some bags in a bag. Let's see if I can tear this. I hate to cut these little ones because I'm always afraid I'll cut something inside. Oh my. Let's see what we did get. Oh, I'm gonna have to do some cutting. I don't know where to cut. I'm always afraid it's a wig or clothing or something, and I will tear it up. Oh, this is cute. Not what I expected though. This is for one of my Smart Dolls. It is a keychain that I'm gonna take apart, and let's make sure it has two sides. Oh, it does. Very cool. Very cool. That's for one of my Smart Dolls. Little Glock in purple. Love that. Let's see what else we got. I am having fun on AliExpress. I'm going to remind you, or if you haven't turned into my channel before, I've been shopping on the front page, the home page of AliExpress. The prices are incredible. Found some fun things. I bought one of these before, and I bought another. Well, it's kind of weird the way they sent it. And this doesn't, these are not as nice as before. They don't have the back. I don't know. I'm not going to push that on my Smart Dolls. I'll cut the back and add a snap to that. If you push this up on your doll's hips and those hips get too tight, that will pop their hip joints and ruin your doll. That's how you get those floppy Barbies and such. Well, let's see. Boy, they just crammed this in a bag quick, didn't they? Let's see about this one. These are really cute. I've been getting these for, well, I know less than $5, and I'm thinking less than $4. Oh yeah, that's cute. That's really cute for Genesis, my bike riding doll. She rides in a chair on the front of my bike. Let's see, I think these should be eyes. Oh boy, I'm having trouble opening this morning. Trying to do it quickly. Yeah, these are pretty cool, little brown eyes. Hope you can see those. I hate to open these too far because then I put them up and then they get separated in my big tub. Not a big deal, I can still find them, but when there's a bunch of loose eyes, it's always nicer when the pairs are together. I need to get started on some chaos heads. I'm not even sure I'd be good at it, but we're gonna find out. Oh, I like these. Look at the green. I've bought these before. I like those a lot. On the front page of AliExpress, the eyes have been less than $2. Yep, less than $2. I felt like there was still something in there. Let's see what else we did get. There has been a lot of great buys. Oh, I just thought this was cute. And I actually ordered it as a little something for my Cyber Smart Doll. Isn't that cute? It's just a little nuts and bolts and screws robot guy. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. It was less than $2, I'm sure. Let's keep going here. What else did I get? Been finding some fun finds. I've got some Blyce coming in. I made a mistake. Oh, I've done this before. On the front page, oh, I've been looking forward to this coming. On the front page of AliExpress homepage, they had Blyce for $11.22. Yeah, Blythe dolls, $11.22. So I was debating. The last several years, Darren and I have been buying, isn't this cute for my Smart Doll little jacket? I thought this would be cute on my bike for Genesis. That one's for her, little jacket, and when we go. Anyway, $11.22. So I put it in my cart, and Darren and I were talking. In the past, I started to say, we have bought several Blyce, like, I don't know, 3 to 6. I guess 4 to 6. And then we mail that to people with a Happy Mail, and we join in and do a collab. And it's really been fun, and other people have joined in with their own blythes. It's just fun. But it's gotten very pricey to do. Postage is so ridiculous. So we were, talking about it, and of course I'm cheaper than Darren. He's like, sure, babe, go ahead, I don't have a problem with it. And I'm thinking, well, how many would I get? Anyway, long story short, I put it on hold, and when I put in how many I wanted, they came up, I think it was $17 a piece. They raised the price on me. I have been walking my 3 dogs every day out in the yard, about a half a mile a trip, and I thought, rain's coming. I don't know, how's this even go? Like this or the other way? I'm not even sure. Oh, probably like this, hello idiot. So I thought I better get a rain bonnet. So there you go. Cheap enough, and I might look like an idiot, but when I come in, I won't be soaking wet.
You need a Brock umbrella.
What? Yeah. Well, holding 3 leases, or 2 anyway.
No, those were the if you remember,
I
they were the
remember.
hats with a umbrella little umbrella attached to the top.
I do remember those. I do need one of those. Actually, so do the German Shepherds. We should get each one. Bought them those raincoats because I know it's coming. Oh, this is for my new doll, Katana. My new...
Who?
Oh, how do you say it?
Kanata.
Kanata. I always say katana, like the sword. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I had ordered this when I started thinking about getting her, and then Darren ordered her by surprise. So, I'm tickled with that. Oh, very tickled with that. Again, shop around on AliExpress. Prices vary, shops vary, and you might find something you like better than everybody's like, do you have a link? Just go to AliExpress and put in the type of doll, like Blythe, or if you're doing 1/3 for like Smart Dolls, don't put in Smart Dolls. Put in 1/3 BJD and then whatever you're looking for. Boots or dresses or clothing or whatever. These they're a little smaller, but I'm okay with it. I think they'll work. These are for the sewing contest on Winterfest, Smart Doll Winterfest. We are going to be mailing out what is necessary for the sewing contest so that everybody has the exact same items for it so that it's more fair across the board. Uh-oh, one's missing. The rest of them have all their snaps. That one's missing. Hopefully we'll have enough. So if you want more information on Smart Doll Winterfest, it's really going to be fun. There's going to be contests. It is going to be a lot of fun, but it is to network and meet other people with Smart Dolls and 1/3 dolls. There's going to be contests and guest speakers. There's going to be just some fun stuff. We're working on goodie bags now. I've been sewing, and our little printer has been going non-stop. 3D printers. We have 3, and they are just, how long have they been making those items that are on there now? A week?
Oh, over.
Yeah. We are preparing for 100. If we only get 10, we're okay with that, but we want to be ready. I bought this for my little white 1/6 doll. I think they're cute. Will I paint them or anything? I don't know. I'm loving that she's just white. I'm not doing a face up on her. I just like her. She's just cute. Okay, that is empty. Let's keep going. So if you want to look for stuff on AliExpress, just put in what you're looking for. Because some of these sellers, like if I leave a link, if they sell out, you just get a blank page. So if you just put in what you're looking for, and go to that front page. You know what? I'm not fooling around here. Go to that front page and see what they offer for what prices. This is also for my Smart Dolls, a little wrench. When I was a teenager, a whole bunch of years ago, I bought my brother a couple of these tool keychains. I don't remember what they were. One was a wrench and another was like a screwdriver or something. He actually used those and he really liked them. He had them for a while. Come on, there we go. Let's see what, oh good. These were on the front page of AliExpress. I think there's 500 in here. Let's see if it says. Yep, 500. I paid less than $1 for those. And a lot of it has shipping. You get, it's called Pick 3, and you get 3 items real cheap. And the shipping will be $1.99 unless you buy $10 worth. Well, it's worth buying $10 worth. Flea combs for my dogs. Little bags to put stuff in for the Winterfest or whatever. And look at these. They had them again for $1.29 on the front page. You get 5 pair and a couple other things, and your shipping's free. It's like getting another pair free. I mean, you can't beat that price. And these are adorable on the Smart Dolls, and they stand really well in them. They stand very stable in those. Boy, we got a lot this time. I have been busy in there on the couch. Darren always tells me when we go to the mailbox and there's nothing in it, you haven't ordered enough, babe. You need to order more. It's kind of a joke. Okay.
Yeah, she doesn't need any encouragement.
Because I'm spoiled. You know what? I'm going to pull this on out and make sure there's nothing else in here. I make a big pile on the floor of the trash, and then after the video I scoop it all up at once. Here's more eyes. Yeah, I don't know. Will these be good for anime on the Smart Dolls? I like that little container. Boy, they're pretty, aren't they? I don't know. They look all right. They look about right. Actually, they look smaller than most, so I think that's a go. All right, let's see what's in this pretty pink one. Get this, oh, these are cute. You won't believe the price of these. I should take these out and show you. Oh, there we go. These are for $1.6 dolls. Now, these will fit like your black dolls, not perfectly, but cute. I got these for my little white doll. I just thought they were cute. You know how much these were? Less than, are you ready for this? Less than $2.50. You buy on the same day as your shoes, your shipping gets there very quick to the $10, and you have something you actually want. You know, I try not to buy stuff I really don't want, just, you know, oh, I'll get that. I try to buy stuff I really want or need, or, okay, I don't need anything from my dolls, depending on how you look at it. To make that $10. Oh, I think this is bicycle pants. It's getting cooler in the mornings. I was walking the dogs this morning about 5:30, and it is cool out. Sure enough, look at that. Here they came. These long pants for cycling with the gel pad, less than $10. Where? Front page of AliExpress. I will be wearing these before you know it. We are trying to ride frequently, daily, but it doesn't always work out. Like I said, oh, I love these. I get these all the time. They're the more dolls I get, the more boots I have to buy. These are the little AliExpress boots. I think they look cute, like witches' boots or motorcycle type looking boots. They're just cute. I just put a pair on Onward for my Star Trek video last Sunday. Very cute. And I think that is it. Thank you for watching once again. Again, front page AliExpress. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. How cute are these outfits? I love this. I saw this Kanata and I wanted her, but I didn't buy her right away, but I knew I would one day. And when I saw this outfit, I thought, you know what? I'm getting that and putting it away. Look how beautifully made this dress is. It's really nice. And the top, I want to show you. They have the soft side of Velcro all the way across the back so that it fits all kinds of different dolls. That's really thoughtful and took more time. And I did not pay, oh, can you stand up, sweetheart? I've got that all under her now and uneven, and I've got her stand on the back of that skirt. How gorgeous is this? What did I do? Let's get you standing. Come on, Kanata. And look at this. And I did not have to cut the back. It did easily go over her hips. I just took it real slow. She didn't have a stand at all. And then I put those little yellow shoes on her. And I started to say, I'm not sure if I finished my sentence, these two outfits together, including the shoes, well, I know it was less than 20. I think they were less than 17. Thank you for watching. Don't forget those likes, comments, and subscribe.